Okay, good morning, everyone. Good morning and Merry Christmas, I should say. It is December 23rd, only 2 days away from Christmas morning. Class number 11 for KIT Iizuka IV C on Thursday, second period. Okay, we have a few new things that we're going to do here, but don't forget your homework is already available. You can always download that. Make sure you keep that so that then you can study it for the final test. If you remember Quizlet, we did Quizlet maybe about 1 month ago. And this is the Quizlet set for the vocabulary, all the vocabulary for working in Japan, number 10. So even though we're going to try to find some time to play a game with this, even if you don't, even if we don't have a chance to do this in class, I really suggest that you look at this study set, because this is the vocabulary that you will encounter, that you will see on the final test. This is from WIJ number 10. We also have, I believe, 3, 10, and 11 that we have to do. So we have one more Quizlet set that we're going to be looking at. Also, if we do this, we'll be doing this in class, but outside of class, you have due dates for the reading quiz, the second reading quiz. This is yet another conversation between me and one of my friends, and I want you to look through it and try your best to understand it. You have 40 minutes to answer the questions, okay? The questions can be difficult because it's a reading quiz, but you can make 3 attempts, okay? And your highest score will count. So even if the first time you don't do very well, try to remember what it is that you did the first time and try your best with the second time until you get your highest score. And even if the third time is not as good as the second time, it's okay. It's whatever one was the highest score. You have your normal homework, okay, which is due. Oh, and by the way, that reading quiz, do your 3 attempts sometime between now and January 12th. Your homework is due Wednesday on December 29th. Okay, so you have plenty of time to do this homework. And some people were sending me their TOEIC certificates by my email. Okay, you don't do that for me. For me, you send your TOEIC certificate here. So don't send it to me by email. If you sent it to me by email before, okay, I'm not going to look at that. I want you to submit. Everybody has to submit their TOEIC certificate here. You send an email to the university. So check the information email before that had your login password and had the TOEIC URL in it. That will tell you where to send the university email so that you can send it to the university. You have to do 2 things, okay? You have to send it to me by this assignment, and 2, you have to send it back to the university by email. Okay, if you have any questions about that, you can always send me an email. Just don't send me your TOEIC certificate. And if you want to, you can stay behind in this class and we can talk about it then. Okay, thanks very much. Oh, and Happy New Year. Yoyo Toshio.